In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an image with a transparent background using Canva, a simple yet powerful design tool. Creating images with transparent backgrounds can be incredibly useful for a wide range of projects, such as creating logos, graphics for videos, or any situation where you want the background to seamlessly blend with various designs. Let's dive in and make this process as easy as possible for you. First, open Canva and navigate to your document where you'll be designing your image. If you don't have a document yet, don't worry. You can create a new one by selecting a custom size or any preset template that suits your needs. Once you've accessed your Canva document, take a moment to think about the elements you want to include in your design. Whether it's text, shapes, icons, or imported images, drag and drop all the necessary components onto your canvas. Arrange these elements until you're satisfied with your design. Remember, the goal is to ensure that whatever you place on the canvas is precisely what you want to stand out once the background becomes transparent. Now that your elements are in place, it's time to prepare for downloading your image. Move your cursor to the top right corner of the Canva interface and click on the Share button. You'll see several options pop up, but the one we're interested in is Download. Click on that. A new dialog box will appear, giving you a few choices to fine-tune your download. Here, you want to ensure that the transparent background option is checked. This step is crucial. If you skip it, your background won't be transparent in the final image. With the transparent background option selected, go ahead and press the download button. Give Canva a moment to process the download. This might take longer if you have a complex design or a slower internet connection, so be patient. Once the download is complete, check your computer's designated download folder for your new image file. Open it up to ensure everything looks just right. Your elements should appear crisp and clear against a transparent background, ready to be used in any project you have in mind. And that's it, you're done. By following these simple steps, you can create images with transparent backgrounds that can be seamlessly integrated into various works. You'll find this skill handy in many scenarios, whether you're editing videos, designing promotional materials, or working on digital art projects. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Feel free to revisit this video whenever you need a quick refresher on the process. Happy designing, and I'll see you in the next video.